Cheetah. Cheetah. Hi, Kitten. Hey, Cheetah. Are you cute? Are you cute? Yes, you're cute. You're so cute. Whatever. Samash. Joey. That's you. Hold him. Don't Joe, come on, Joey. Hey, Joey. Come on. Come on. Get over here. And if you can't tell, he's purring. You are so cute, guy. And look, notice his tail goes over his back for some reason. And he scares everybody. I just got him out from under his bed. Yeah, good time. Good time. Well, better feed him. Wait, hold that thought. He's being extra cute. Hi, guy. Well, bye-bye.